Today we're going to try out a new remedy, which I saw in the University of TikTok, that guarantees to turn your car lights from that yellow old look to a much better appearance. So, you'll be using ingredients which you'll find lying around in your house. Number 1, lemon juice. Number 2, bicarbonate of soda. Number 3, toothpaste. So pour about 4 tablespoons of bicarbonate soda into a bowl. We wouldn't be too specific with the measurement, as we are just trying it out, but feel free to measure. Then pour about 50 milliliters of lemon juice into the bowl. Thereafter, about 2 teaspoons of toothpaste and mix well until dissolved. Then apply the mixture on your affected areas, which in this case is the headlight. And I'd suggest that you can use your hands for a better feel of the surface and let it sit for about 15 minutes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Then after, get warm water and a clean rag to wipe off the mixture. And while doing so, you can instantly see results with some dirt on the rag. There you have it. Easy. We shall be trying out other tips and tricks progressively so if it's your first time here, like and subscribe, and also comment below if you've tried this before and also with other tricks that you know. Anyways, see you soon again. Bye.